Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the mobile deposit limit for Regions Bank. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why this is important. Mobile banking is becoming more and more popular, and it's a great way to manage your finances on the go. However, it's important to be aware of the limits that your bank places on mobile deposits. So, what is the mobile deposit limit for Regions Bank? The answer is a little bit complicated, as it depends on a few factors, such as your account type and your relationship with the bank. However, there are some general guidelines that you can follow. For most customers, the daily mobile deposit limit is $6,000. This means that you can deposit up to $6,000 in your Regions Bank account using your mobile device in a single day. The monthly mobile deposit limit for most customers is $10,000. This means that you can deposit up to $10,000 in your Regions Bank account using your mobile device in a single month. However, there are some customers who may be eligible for higher mobile deposit limits. These customers include preferred banking customers, private wealth management clients. If you are a preferred banking customer or a private wealth management client, you may be able to deposit up to $10,000 per day and $25,000 per month using your mobile device. It's important to note that these are just general guidelines. The actual mobile deposit limits for your account may be different. You can find your specific limits by logging into your Regions Bank online banking account or by contacting your bank directly. Now that we know the mobile deposit limits for Regions Bank, let's talk about some of the things you need to keep in mind when using mobile deposit. First, make sure that you have the Regions Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone or tablet. Second, you will need to create a Regions Bank online banking account. Third, you will need to link your Regions Bank checking account to your mobile banking account. Once you have completed these steps, you can start making mobile deposits. To make a mobile deposit, simply take a picture of the front and back of the check you want to deposit. The Regions Bank app will then automatically process the deposit. There are a few things to keep in mind when making a mobile deposit. Make sure that the check is clear and legible. Make sure that you are in a well-lit area. Hold your phone steady when taking the picture. Once you have made a mobile deposit, you can track the status of the deposit in the Regions Bank app. You can also view your deposit history and print out a receipt if you need one. Mobile deposit is a great way to manage your finances on the go. However, it's important to be aware of the limits that your bank places on mobile deposits. By following the tips in this article, you can make sure that you are using mobile deposit safely and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.